Good evening, Mr. Only, board members, and ladies and gentlemen of the audience. We are here representing our school, Shadow Ridge. And my name is Adriana Uribe, and I'm in 12th grade.
My name is Ashley Martinez, and I'm a junior.
My name is Sergio, and I am in 12th grade as well.
Okay, so what subject does the teacher you guys interview teach?
I interviewed Mr. Hoffman. He teaches social studies. He's been teaching for 35 years.
I interviewed Miss Ricari, and she teaches grades 8 through 12, and she's actually been teaching for about 15 years.
I interviewed Miss Woodson. She teaches a variety of classes such as American Democracy, Life Management, and College Careers.
I also interviewed Ms. Janowicz, and she has been teaching for 16 years.
I actually interviewed Miss Ray Vay. She's not a teacher, but she's a admin secretary, and she's been working here for about 4 years at Shadow Ridge.
I interviewed Mr. Labrado, and this is his first official year here as a Shadow Ridge math teacher. Yes, Miss Woodson is looking into recruiting 12 high school students who are above 16 years of age to receive this upcoming votes for this upcoming election.
Miss Reve is actually planning field trips and senior workshops.
Ms. Janowicz mentioned that her favorite part was getting to know every student individually.
Miss Woodson's favorite thing about Shadow Ridge is that she loves the positive vibes and the staff as well. She likes how all the wonderful teachers here are very polite. She also really likes to work with younger kids as it helps us in the future.
So Ms. Fisher actually said that Shadow Ridge is unique in so many aspects. First and foremost, that the school offers virtual instruction to students who have various scheduling needs. They offer flexibility to students who have medical issues. Shadow Ridge is a program that recognizes student choice and passion, and where students feel more valued.
Another thing that we also have is that Ms. Jones is teaching leadership, and that we have leadership students to plan some exciting events for our school.
Third, they will have their open house on August 22nd and August 24th. They will have an SEL student lead activity hosted by the brand new class SEL, the heart of who we are.
Right. My biggest accomplishment is getting somebody who hates math to actually enjoy it, which I think that is very good because you can never judge by the subject, and I used to be that person myself, and now I'm really good at math. So
I want to add that last year Ms. Janowicz did something really fun in her science class. We did forensic science, and she did a crime scene scenario where we had to investigate, and it was really fun because it was we got all the basics down on how to investigate a crime scene.
It's never boring, really.
there's always something fun here at Shadow Ridge School.
I attend Shadow Ridge School, best indie in the HD.
Hi, my name is Aaliyah Fowler, and I'm from Shadow Ridge, the best indie school out here in Hesperia. You know what it is.